Yeah, we're going to have an issue right in the middle of it with shower and storm chances on the rise. The good news for this morning, the MAXTRACK doesn't show anything. Now there's some lighter showers up across the southern Great Lakes, and the future track keeps it quiet today. Partly sunny skies. We've got a bit of morning cloud cover hanging around, and later on today that'll be gone. But look what happens tomorrow. Here comes the moisture. It's on the rise from down south. So scattered showers and thunder showers developing by Saturday afternoon. Overnight, a more significant slug of moisture heading our way. That's where we could get into some heavier rain. And then eventually that tracks through. So by Sunday morning, we'll still have some showers and storms around a cold front pushing through, well, a cool front. It's really not going to have much of an impact on our temperature. The cloud cover will have more of an impact there. But you can see by Sunday afternoon, the showers fading into southeastern Kentucky. So I'm hoping by late in the weekend, late Sunday afternoon, we're drying out already. But rainfall, especially by Saturday night, boom, you can see it ramping up. We could be in a range between 1 to maybe 2 to 3 inches of rain. So it could be heavy enough that we have some brief issues with some heavier rain and some localized flash flooding Saturday night. Pretty low chance for that since it's going to be a quick hit, but you want to watch out. This is social media. It's a tweet from the Climate Prediction Center talking about La Nina. A La Nina advisory is now in effect. And what does that mean for us? That means La Nina conditions are likely for this winter, which means for Kentucky and here in the Ohio Valley, a warmer than normal winter, which is what you're looking at here. These are temperature anomalies, and these are winter precipitation anomalies. It's usually drier than normal across the deep south, but there's a pocket in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley of what is usually above normal precipitation. So a warmer, wetter winter for us, especially whenever you have a moderate to strong La Nina. Now, this also has an impact on the Hurricane Center. They factored that in their last hurricane season update. If you remember this, 19 to 25 named storms. We're already up to 17 named storms for the season, and we're at the peak of the season. Yesterday was the peak, the statistical peak. 2 areas of interest for development, south and east, and then, of course, 2 active storms, Tropical Storm Paulette and Renee, and another storm that came off the West African coastline, another one they're watching behind it. But this round, this cluster of storms, over the next 48 hours has a high likelihood of formation, and then by mid to late September could be approaching the Gulf Coast. And with this southerly track, as opposed to what these 2 tropical storms are doing, that has a higher likelihood of potentially getting out into the Gulf and threatening the continental United States, the Gulf Coast, and possibly down around Florida as you get into latter parts of this month. So that one definitely bears watching. 69 degrees now. We've got upper 60s for the dew point. It's warm. It's on the muggy side. This is what's left of that upper level cold air, that winter storm out towards Denver. It's going to lift northeast up toward the Great Lakes into the weekend. This trough is what's digging in. We'll have a cold front coming through with those showers and storms, but no real cool down here. By early next week, though, you see another trough digging into the Pacific Northwest, and some of that cooler air may translate our way. This is all the way out into next Thursday, though, so the weekend after this upcoming one, we may start to feel the influence of that. But at least right now, we're showing pretty good chance for normal to slightly above normal temperatures through mid to latter parts of the month of September. So no big cool down for us as of yet. And the 8-day shows that consistency in temperatures. We're anywhere from the lower end, upper 70s next Tuesday, to generally low to mid 80s all the way through.